We're here at our newest project. It's a new hot fitness center coming together. Right here is going to be their lobby, reception desk, sign there, some built-ins here, merchandise wall there, and through this door is going to be the studio with bars over here in between each of these columns, these beams and headers coming through. Over here will be all mirrors, audio equipment there. So we walk through, almost ready for rough-in inspections here, getting really close. As we walk around this corner, we'll go through a door to get into the back area. Here's an existing bathroom that we're going to be updating. Utility closet back there. Through this opening will be the get ready area, countertop, mirrors there. Doing some more built-in lockers type thing here. Here's the changing rooms, stackable washer and dryer, new restroom, as you can see, gonna have a shower there, vanity there, and a toilet in the corner. Then as we come here, the rear exit. Also, this will be office slash storage slash possible training room of some sort, or some other type of room. So there you have it, guys. This ceiling right here is going to be open up. That room will have a drop ceiling. Restroom have a drop ceiling. We're raising the ceilings up right here, as well as the bathroom, keeping these at 10 feet with those beams being slightly lower, 9'9". Then as we walk back up front, that's going to be a hard ceiling to kind of make it look a little bit more homey type feeling. So there is our newest walk around, newest project coming to St. Matthews soon.